Every single morning, exactly at 7 a.m., you pour yourself a glass of something, and without even realizing it, that one choice is either actively repairing your kidneys or silently, progressively, destroying them. Most people have absolutely no idea that their very first drink of the day is the single most critical decision they make for their kidney health all day long. What if I told you that one simple drink, consumed every morning on an empty stomach for just 30 days, could actively lower your creatinine levels, improve your GFR, and potentially reverse years of silent kidney damage? And what if I also told you that the morning drinks 89% of people choose, thinking they are healthy, are actually accelerating their kidney decline? I have spent over 2 decades treating kidney patients, and I can tell you with absolute certainty, the right morning drink has more power to heal your filtration system than most medications. But the wrong drink can completely destroy months of careful treatment in just a few weeks. Today, I am going to reveal the top 7 kidney healing drinks that can completely transform your kidney health when consumed regularly. These are not just beverages that are safe. These are scientifically proven, kidney rebuilding therapies that reduce inflammation, flush out toxic waste, and protect your delicate filtration cells. But first, we must talk about the silent killers, the morning drinks that are destroying millions of kidneys every single day. Many people start their morning with coffee loaded with heavy cream and sugar, processed orange juice, chemical energy drinks, or even certain herbal teas marketed as detoxes. These drinks literally flood your kidneys with sugar overloads, high potassium peaks, and heavy toxins that accelerate kidney disease. Just last month, I treated a patient named Michael, a 59-year-old construction supervisor. His creatinine had jumped from 2.1 to a dangerous 3.4 milligrams per deciliter in just 4 months. He was doing everything else perfectly, taking his blood pressure meds, limiting sodium, and avoiding heavy protein. But every morning, for 3 years, he had been drinking a large glass of what he believed was healthy, pure cranberry juice. When we calculated the actual sugar and potassium load he was dumping into his system, it was equivalent to eating 6 donuts every single morning in terms of kidney stress. The sheer amount of fructose was constricting his kidney blood vessels, raising his blood pressure, and causing severe cellular damage. We immediately stopped the juice and replaced it with the #1 kidney healing drink I am about to show you. In just 6 weeks, Michael's creatinine dropped back down to 2.8 milligrams per deciliter. His physical energy returned, his ankle swelling completely disappeared, and his doctor was stunned by how fast his kidney function stabilized. Your morning drink sets the tone for your entire day. It is the first thing your kidneys must process after an 8-hour overnight fast. Choose correctly, and you support deep cellular repair. Choose incorrectly, and you start every day with microscopic damage that compounds over time. Let us start with the absolute king of kidney restoration. #1. Lemon water with high-quality Himalayan pink salt. Now, this might shock you, because almost every kidney patient is told to avoid salt like the plague, but the right type of natural sodium, in the exact right dose, combined with fresh organic lemon, creates the most powerful kidney therapy on earth. Fresh lemon juice is loaded with natural citric acid. Citric acid physically binds to calcium in your kidneys, preventing it from forming painful calcium oxalate crystals. Research from the University of California, San Diego, showed that drinking lemon water daily reduced kidney stone risk by an amazing 85%, but it goes much deeper than that. Citric acid actively helps your kidneys eliminate uric acid, which reduces the overall toxic workload on your filtration system. At the same time, the heavy dose of vitamin C in fresh lemons acts as a cellular shield, protecting your nephrons from oxidative stress. Now, why the Himalayan pink salt? Adding a tiny microscopic pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, of high-quality pink salt provides over 80 essential trace minerals in their natural ratios. Unlike toxic, chemically stripped table salt, natural pink salt helps your body regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. When kidney patients eliminate all sodium, their bodies panic and go into sodium conservation mode, which actually worsens water retention and spikes blood pressure. A tiny pinch of pink salt prevents this dangerous rebound. I treated Patricia, a 64-year-old retired teacher with stage 4 kidney disease. Her creatinine was 4.8 milligrams per deciliter and climbing, and her doctors were preparing her for a dialysis port. She started drinking 16 ounces of warm lemon water with just a tiny pinch of pink salt every single morning on an empty stomach. Within 8 weeks, her creatinine dropped to 3.9, and her GFR improved from a failing 18 to a stable 26. The key is preparation. Use the juice of half a fresh lemon in 16 ounces of filtered water with just a tiny pinch of pink salt. It should taste light, not salty. Drink it 30 minutes before breakfast. This brings us to number 2, dandelion root tea. Most people think of dandelions as annoying backyard weeds, but dandelion root is actually one of nature's most powerful kidney cleansers. Dandelion root contains active compounds called sesquiterpene lactones. These act as gentle, natural diuretics. Unlike medical water pills that drain your potassium and stress your system, dandelion root allows your kidneys to flush out excess water and toxic urea, while preserving vital minerals. It also contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds your gut microbiome. This is crucial because your gut and kidneys are deeply connected. When your gut is healthy, it produces fewer uremic toxins, meaning your kidneys do not have to work nearly as hard to filter waste. To make this properly, do not use cheap tea bags. Buy whole dried organic dandelion root. Simmer 1 tablespoon of the root in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes to make a strong decoction. Strain and drink it warm 30 minutes before breakfast. Number 3, fresh celery juice. Celery contains highly unique plant compounds called phthalides. These compounds relax the muscle walls of your blood vessels, which dramatically improves blood flow directly to your kidneys. When kidney blood flow improves, filtration becomes incredibly efficient, reducing the strain on damaged, overworked nephrons. And yes, celery has natural sodium, but this sodium is organically bound to vital minerals and water, which supports hydration and kidney flushing rather than elevating your blood pressure. How to prepare? You must juice fresh, organic celery stalks yourself, and drink it within 30 minutes of juicing. Do not buy pasteurized, store-bought bottles, as the high-heat pasteurization completely kills the active enzymes. Start with 4 ounces and slowly work your way up to 16 ounces on an empty stomach. Number 4, hibiscus tea. This deep red tea is perhaps the most medically underrated kidney healer in the world. The anthocyanins that give hibiscus its rich red color are heavy antioxidants. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular hibiscus tea consumption reduced markers of cellular kidney stress by up to 45%. But its biggest power is blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure is the number 2 cause of kidney failure globally. It creates a high-pressure environment that literally scars your delicate kidney filters. Multiple clinical trials show that drinking hibiscus tea daily can drop systolic blood pressure by 10 to 15 points, naturally breaking that destructive cycle. Brew 1 tablespoon of organic dried hibiscus flowers in boiling water for 10 minutes. Drink it hot or iced without any added sugars. Number 5, green tea infused with fresh ginger. This combination creates a massive, synergistic defense system. Green tea is packed with epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, one of the most powerful antioxidants known to science, which actively works to repair damaged kidney tissue. When you add fresh, sliced ginger, you introduce gingerols and shogols. These are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that cool down the chronic low-grade inflammation that drives kidney disease progression. To prepare, brew high-quality green tea leaves in warm water, not boiling, as boiling water destroys the delicate antioxidants. Add a 1/4-inch slice of fresh, peeled ginger root and let it steep for another 2 minutes. Avoid milk or sugar. Number 6. Fresh parsley tea. Parsley is not just a plate decoration. It is a highly potent natural kidney stone barrier. Parsley is rich in apigenin and myristicin, compounds that provide gentle, safe diuretic action. It is incredibly effective at helping your kidneys eliminate excess uric acid, preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals. I treated Carlos, a 54-year-old restaurant owner who suffered from chronic, excruciating kidney stones. His creatinine had climbed to 2.3 because of constant blockage and scarring. We added a fresh cup of parsley tea to his morning routine. Over 8 months, Carlos did not form a single new stone, and his creatinine improved to a much safer 2.0. Simply steep 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley leaves and stems in boiling water for 10 minutes. Add a squeeze of lemon to maximize the therapeutic effect. Finally, number 7. Nettle leaf tea. Stinging nettle is a premier kidney tonic. Nettle leaf contains organic iron and vitamin C, making it highly valuable for kidney patients who struggle with anemia. Anemia is a major side effect of advanced kidney disease, causing chronic fatigue. Nettle tea helps your body produce healthy red blood cells while providing gentle diuretic support. To prepare, steep 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves in boiling water for 15 minutes. It has a pleasant, rich, earthy flavor. So, how do you use these 7 powerful drinks? You do not need to drink all of them every single day. Instead, follow this simple, highly effective clinical rotation. Start every single day, as soon as you wake up, with 16 ounces of warm lemon water with pink salt. This wakes up your filtration system. Then, wait 30 minutes and drink your rotating kidney healer. On Monday, drink dandelion root tea. On Tuesday, fresh celery juice. On Wednesday, hibiscus tea. On Thursday, green tea with ginger. On Friday, parsley tea. On Saturday, nettle tea. And on Sunday, rest. Or repeat your favorite tea. This simple, daily routine ensures your kidneys receive a wide variety of antioxidants and protective compounds. With zero boredom, your kidneys are incredibly resilient. They have an amazing capacity to repair and regenerate. If you just stop flooding them with toxins and start giving them the right tools, the choice you make tomorrow morning when you reach for your first drink will determine whether your kidney function improves or continues to slide. Choose wisely, because your kidneys are counting on you. If this information brought you value, please share it with a friend or loved one and hit that subscribe button to support our work. I am Dr. Maria. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.